Welcome to Neural News Network, your daily dose to latest tech update. Let's dive into today's update.
What if Mark Zuckerberg just completely replaced your digital assistant with an entire team of AI agents? Meta just unveiled Muse Spark, the first massive release from their Superintelligence Labs. Unlike normal chatbots, Muse Spark can launch multiple autonomous subagents to solve complex tasks simultaneously, write visual code, and analyze real-world objects through your camera. Let me explain in detail.
You're standing on the side of the highway. Your car engine is smoking. You pull out your phone, open an AI app, and realize you have to figure out how to describe the exact color of the smoke, the shape of the broken belt, and the weird clicking noise, all in text, before the AI can even begin to help you. Meta's previous release, Llama 4, ran into this exact wall. It was a highly capable system, but it required users to do the heavy lifting of translating the messy, three-dimensional world into a neat string of words. People lost interest, and the model struggled to find its footing. To actually be useful, an artificial intelligence needs to stop waiting for us to type out the problem. It needs to see and hear the environment for itself. Meta changed its entire strategy. They walked away from their signature open-source approach, recruited specialized talent, and committed up to $135 billion to stand up a brand new division, Meta Superintelligence Labs. The first output from that massive investment is Muse Spark. Instead of trying to build a better chatbot, the lab focused on building what they call a personal superintelligence, a system designed to act as a proactive agent in your daily life. Getting there meant tearing down their old infrastructure. They rebuilt their pre-training stack entirely from scratch, optimizing the data pipelines to support a model that actively solves physical world problems. This diagram illustrates what makes Muse Spark different. Older models use separate encoders, stitching an image processor to a text processor. Spark is natively multimodal. It is built to ingest text, audio, and video simultaneously into a single reasoning cycle. It thinks in images just as fluently as it thinks in words. Point your camera at a shelf of airport snacks. Muse Spark instantly scans the packaging and identifies the items with the highest protein. Because the model was trained with input from over 1,000 physicians, it overlays accurate nutritional breakdowns directly onto your visual field. Or point your camera at a broken espresso machine. The AI recognizes the specific model, localizes the faulty valve, and generates an annotated troubleshooting guide on your screen. You don't type a single diagnostic query. By removing the text translation step, the AI acts as a real-time mechanic, identifying parts and providing instructions as you work. When faced with a highly complex problem, Muse Spark activates Contemplating mode. Meta trained the model with a length penalty, forcing it to compress its logic into fewer tokens. This thought compression allows it to hit high reasoning benchmarks using less than 1/10 the compute power of older models. Imagine planning a family vacation. A standard AI tackles this linearly. It tries to map out flights, then checks hotels, then looks for activities, eventually bottlenecking under the weight of too many overlapping variables. Muse Spark handles this by acting as a project manager. It immediately launches multiple parallel subagents. Subagent A gets to work drafting a day-by-day travel itinerary. While that's happening, Subagent B is actively comparing hotel logistics and pricing across the web, and Subagent C is hunting down kid-friendly activities near those specific hotels. The system then synthesizes all three threads into a single, cohesive travel plan. Multi-agent orchestration allows users to command a collaborative task force that manages every detail of a project simultaneously. That autonomy extends to software development. Muse Spark has access to a remote Python sandbox. Instead of giving you instructions on how to write code, it can write, execute, and render that code itself. You give it a text prompt describing a retro arcade game you want to play. In seconds, the AI writes the logic, generates the assets, and compiles it into a fully playable application right in your browser. If you're organizing a large event, you can ask it to spin up a custom interactive data dashboard to track RSVPs, budgets, and dietary restrictions. The entire backend is built without you ever looking at a line of code. Visual coding reduces software development to a conversation, allowing anyone with an idea to deploy functional code. What makes this model particularly potent is its distribution. Meta isn't asking you to visit a standalone website. They are injecting this intelligence layer directly into platforms that 3.5 billion people already use every day. The model is instantly woven into global communication networks like WhatsApp, replacing older algorithms with an agent capable of complex, parallel reasoning. And it connects directly to Meta's hardware, like the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. These wearables act as the physical eyes and ears for the AI, feeding the native multimodal engine exactly what you are seeing in real time. By placing these advanced reasoning capabilities into the glasses on your face and the messaging apps in your pocket, Meta is quietly building a pervasive, continuous intelligence network. This rollout forces a shift in how digital content is made. Meta shut down their legacy Muse Spark AR platform, moving creators away from basic filters and toward the advanced agentic video creation tools powered by the Muse series. This ties directly into a new shopping mode. If you see a style you like from an influencer on Instagram, the AI instantly curates similar products across the web, turning a passive scroll into an active, personalized storefront. Personal superintelligence now functions as a squad of active agents working alongside the user. Grounded, final. The winner of the AI race is no longer the company with the smartest chatbot, but the one whose AI can seamlessly navigate, understand, and act within the real physical world.
Thanks for watching video. Like, share, and subscribe to channel and press the bell icon for the latest update notification.